Hey everyone, hopefully you're having a good day. My name's Andy, my channel's Finding Value. If you like making money, subscribe to the channel, give me a thumbs up, leave comments below on anything. I'm going to touch on some articles that I was reading. I'm just going to do a high level on all of them to kind of just give you an overview of what they think. It's not just me telling you my opinion. So this is from other people. You're going to lose me for a little bit. It says, "Is Platinum's explosive rally the start of a bull run?" This was February 16th, 2021. So it says platinum has broken out of more than a decade of price weakness to reach its highest since 2014. I'm going to scroll down here. I can see further price increases coming, said Bank of America analyst. The market would see large deficits from 2023, and platinum could mimic palladium, which surged because of consistent undersupply. Look at palladium. You had a 10-year bear market from 2001, and then prices moved up by 1,500%. And this is kind of platinum's rebound, but I want to go down here. This is the looming undersupply right here. This is what I really want to touch on. The 8 million ounce a year platinum market will see large deficits from 2023 Bank of America estimates. So 2021, I think we actually ended with a slight deficit. Oh, no, that's 2020. Sorry, we had a slight deficit in 2020. We could have a slight deficit in 2021 depending on investor demand. But then we go into 2022 with a slight deficit, and then bam, the big deficits occur 2023 and on. So analysts at Citi expect automakers to use around 800,000 ounces less palladium and 800,000 ounces more platinum by the end of 2022, reducing total palladium demand by 8% and increasing total platinum demand by 10%. And that's some of the reasoning that they go into. So I also want to touch on this. It says, but an alternative to fossil fuels is hydrogen. And platinum is used in electrolyzers to make hydrogen and fuel cells, using it to power cars, trains, and ships. Demand for platinum and fuel cell powered vehicles could rise to 2 to 4 million ounces a year by 2030, Bank of America's Widmer says. Investors are taking note, ramping up their bets on higher prices in U.S. futures markets and stockpiling bars in exchange-traded funds. Speculators are rising bets. This is what they show. It says, but with big deficits still a couple years away, they may be unable to maintain recent momentum. We now see signs of speculative excess. They're talking about that. Exchange-traded funds have added more than 1.5 million ounces of platinum. And that's the end of the article. So one thing I want to touch on is, we do have this initial surge coming up. We could see this thing be pretty volatile and pull back and up and down for a year or two. Use that as a way to position if you like platinum. That's what I'm using it for. And we do have some time here, I think, to still position and get these insane ratio deals on platinum. So it hasn't eluded us. It hasn't ran away yet. They're still, platinum is extremely cheap to palladium, to even silver and gold, and definitely rhodium. So it's still a really good bet. The deficits, they're out there. They're out there in the future. You can see them in this chart right here. You can see it under me, the looming undersupply here. This is what we need to focus on. We might have another year right here to pick some up on the cheap. That's what I'm doing. You guys can follow that or not. Remember, I can't give advice. I'm just giving you information of what I see in the markets. And this is what I see is the near term. This is pretty soon. Deficits out there in the near term, a couple years out. And we do have some time to pick up some platinum over the next year. If you guys like this content, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't. And thank you for listening. This is Finding Value.